Hello students, how are you? I hope you will be good at home. I want to teach you class 9 subject math chapter 3 coordinate geometry. Now, same topic Cartesian system. So I already discussed regarding the Cartesian system. Can you say student what is Cartesian system? Maybe you know the answer. Once again I am going to revise it. So Cartesian system means the combinations of x-axis, y-axis and origins are called Cartesian system. So now some points are given below. A. Coordinates of a point in a plane. I already discussed regarding the plane. Okay. So now first point, the distance of the point along x-axis from the origin is called the x coordinate or abscissa. Okay student, so abscissa, be very careful. So this is the most important word for you. Now second point is the distance of the point along y-axis from the origin O is called the y coordinate or ordinate. Okay student, so now I am showing the here two perpendicular lines. So see here, this is the now this is origin and this is here y o y dash and x o x dash. Two are perpendicular. This is draw on the plane, Cartesian plane. So now on the basis of this one, now I am explaining. So keep it in mind, and you can also draw for the time at the time of study and try to understood the definitions or points. Okay, so now third, therefore coordinates of the points are abscissa or ordinate. Okay, so abscissa we have to write first and ordinate we have to write in the second point. Now if the abscissa of a point is x and its ordinate is y, then coordinates equal to x or y. So this is abscissa and this is ordinate. Okay student. Now fourth point is the abscissa of every point on y-axis is 0. So on the y-axis abscissa is 0. Why? Because now I am going to again see the how this is abscissa of the every point on y-axis is 0. So suppose this is y-axis. So now this is the y-axis, and now suppose anybody asks to you on the y-axis what should be the value of abscissa. So here should be 0 because distance is nothing. So here is no distance. On this line distance is 0. That's why this is called every time abscissa is 0. Now the ordinate of every point on the x-axis is 0. Similarly, and the coordinates of the origins are also 0 0 because this is the fixed point. Once again I am going to show you. So here is point O, that means here distance is 0 and 0. So we can try to understand this point. Okay student, I will give the homework on the basis of these points later. Thank you, and I hope you have understood my lecture.